Hello everyone. In this particular session, I'll be taking questions of probability. So the first question which I am discussing is, what is the chance that a leap year selected at random has 53 Sundays? So if I look into this whole problem, then this problem actually appears a lot in a lot of exams and everywhere. So it's pretty simple to calculate. I'll be using classical definition of probability here. That means probability of happening of an event is given by number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. So this is what I'm going to do. That means I need to calculate what are the cases in favor and what are the cases in total. So let's see it. First of all, I need to understand that how many days in a year have. So I'll do a little rough work here on the right side of mine, then you will be able to understand it better. So in a regular year, there are 364 days. That means 52 complete weeks. So this is exactly the arrangement of a regular year. When on the other hand, if I talk about a leap year, there are 366 days in a leap year. So in this particular case, you have 52 complete weeks and 2 days extra. Now these 2 days can be Sunday, Monday, or it could be Monday, Tuesday, or it could be Tuesday, Wednesday, or it could be Wednesday, Thursday, it could be Thursday, Friday, it could be Friday or Saturday, or it could be Saturday and Sunday. So if you look into the entire arrangement, these 2 additional days can have these possible combinations or permutations. I shall say that it could be Sunday, Monday, it could be Monday, Tuesday, it could be Tuesday, Wednesday, it could be Wednesday, Thursday, it could be Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. So in total, I have how many total possibilities that may happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 possibilities. So I managed to calculate capital N, that is 7. Now small n is number of favorable cases. So how many favorable cases are there? The favorable cases are in which there are Sundays that are appearing. So I have a Sunday in this particular permutation here, and again I have a Sunday in this particular permutation here. That means there are 2 cases which are favorable to me. So probability that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays is actually going to be 2 by 7. And if I calculate it further, it is exactly 0.2857, or you can call it 28.57%. So this is exactly the solution to this particular problem, that what is the chance that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays. There is a 58.57% chance that it may happen.